Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. We're joined by traders and investors every day from around the world who equally share with you their live trades, their live positions. If it goes to zero, we lose all our money. If it goes to $1 million, we make $1 million. This is it. Other than $2,000 in the bank, this is all my money on show for you right now. You can see in the last hour, we're up 0.8, 35,000. We had a big sell-off yesterday with the Fed. Will we get a rally today? Well, we'll find out. Let's get straight into the shares and take a look. As you can see right now, we're up 0.81 in the last hour. And let's go and look at Virgin Galactic right now. As you can see, it popped up a little bit, but it's just fallen back. So has our overall portfolio, just up a little bit, 0.81. VU right now, the S&P 500 is at the moment 0.04, just up slightly. We had a nice little bounce and fell back. Let's see what happens. It's a very weak market today. Now, Rio Tinto, I have got my dividend paying out today, as you can see, 109.26. So really, what I want to see is the price of Rio go down, but there you go, just so I get more for my money. But it is currently down 2.65 overall anyway, so I get a bit of a discount there today. But what we want really is it to go down to catch the best price for Rio Tinto's dividend payout today. Welcome everybody on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. Thank you very much for joining me. We've just started once again. We're here 10 hours a day, every day, Monday to Friday, trading live, real money, real traders. If you want to be part of our main show, click the profile link up there and come into YouTube. That's where our cash prize giveaways are. Every single Friday, we give away money. Hey, Constant Courage, Ray, one of my Luca badge owners, one of my subscribers. Thank you, sir. We've got some exclusive contents for our subscribers coming out now. Hey, Bill's over there as well. Thank you very much. Bill's my top viewer. Look at that, all the roses. Bill, 2 of my subscribers today. Fantastic. Subscribers on TikTok, you know that I now make exclusive content for you. You've got extra perks. You can actually use the perks in the stream. If you look at them, there's perks you can claim. I also promote your channel wherever I can. I tag you in my posts wherever I can to get you more followers, make commercials for you. Also answer all your questions. And also, as of today, if you want me to make a video on a stock on TikTok, I will for my subscribers and review it. So if you want some information on a stock, like the new video this morning, Ray, I was with all your filters. Very good. You were bored in the car, right? Okay, fantastic. Thank you for your support on TikTok. My subscribers make it possible for me to go live on TikTok. If you click the little star there, see? I've got 12 subscribers. I've got a target of 23 set by TikTok. You get lots of perks and benefits if you become one of my subscribers. All right, I'll follow you back, promote your channel, and do everything I can to support you. All right, let's get straight into it. Rio Tinto, Virgin Galactic did pop up nice, but it's just fallen back slightly. I'm trying to trim off the top. I'm overweighted, overextended. I do want to sell some Virgin Galactic. No matter how good it is, I have to trim back. So, ideally, 541, my average, I can trim off in total profits. But I can lot share as well. So if I want to sell certain lots, I can. But I'd rather get to 540, 550, and then for real trim off the top, and that would be great. Lower my, I've still got lower averages. I'm in a good position, but I've got profits taken out and money back in the bank. That's what I'm hoping today. But who knows? All right. Virgin Orbit is down. Tesla is up 0.57. Rivian is up 0.2. Lucid is up 0.26. Let's bring in some comments here this morning. Theodore Roll, hello, good morning to you. Will Ledwidge, good morning. Mike Twitching, thanks for keeping Twitch open. Theodore Roll, do you know why Lockheed is lower than a month ago despite recent tension? I know. What does that mean? Makes no sense, right? I agree with you. Lockheed, I've got Lockheed shares. I don't know why. I'll have a quick look, actually. I'll have a look in a minute. Remind me, and I'll come back to that. It could be because of the dividend payout, but anyway, I'll check. A lot of people sell it once they've got their dividends to pay out because it pays a really high dividend to drive the stock down for the dividends to be applied at the lower price. So that's a lot of manipulation there. But that's a good idea, though. That's exactly what happens every cycle with Tesco's. Remember, I've shown you Tesco's before. When it comes up to the dividend, people sell out to get their dividend. Once the ex-dividend price is done, you can buy back in again. But anyway, we'll see. We'll have a look at it shortly, all right? But thanks for mentioning it. Jason Newman bought 100 shares in GSK this morning. Great dividend and 5-year low. There you go. It is a good dividend. I am in J&J. We discussed it the other day. I said it was quite good, but I'm already exposed to this market, so I've got J&J, but I think you said you couldn't get it. I think that's why. But yeah, GSK is a great company. It's like the English version of Johnson & Johnson, isn't it? Or I think isn't Johnson & Johnson British? Headquarters in New Jersey. No, I might be wrong. I've always thought it is British because when you live in England and you get your talcum powder or your Nivea soap or whatever it is, you just assume it's from England, but it probably isn't. Anyway, there you go. Google's down today, 99.75 now, under 100. Google is a gift right now. I've been buying some. I can't get any more. I can get J&J too. Oh, you can. Okay. All right. Meta going back up. SoFi going back up at the moment, 1.23. IonQ up 0.58. PayPal moving up. I'm out of that. Rolls-Royce, I'm out of that. I'm just keeping interested in it. Walmart has held pretty well. I've had dividend payouts. I'm up 11%. I'm just holding it. Target, I'm just holding it. The same thing. Tesco is down 0.92 today. Just getting, like 5-year lows now on Tesco. If you want to buy a British supermarket, the biggest supermarket in Britain, on a 5-year low, that's ridiculous. Tesco, really, really cheap dividend. Sorry, really, really cheap stock, and the dividend is great. 15th of October, I think it is, and the dividend payout is 15th of November. So you could be massing up on Tesco's if you wanted to right now. Canoe, Gove, down 1.25. Hello, says O. David. How are you this afternoon? Thanks for everyone joining me on TikTok. If you want to come into the main show, the home of the day trader is YouTube. Links in the profile. If you become one of my subscribers, I'll make you a video at the end of the show. Post it, put your channel on here, and invite all of my 25,000 followers to follow you. It's a great way to promote your channel. I do that for all my subscribers. I also follow you back and also do exclusive content and make videos on the stocks that you want me to review. There's the starlet. Click the star. You can only subscribe to me during a live show. Okay, Tilray Brands is up 0.34, Ginkgo Bioworks up 105, Enphase Energy is flat today, 4.61, but I'm already up 65% on my previous entry point. Bitcoin SV is up 3% today, Bitcoin is up 2.78, and Ethereum is up 3.5%. Okay, so the S&P is holding up at the moment. Virgin Galactic, we're trying desperately to take some money off the top today. We really, really need to do that. Absolutely desperate. So anyway, I can get J&J too, says Jason Newman. Who's with me this morning? Right, let's get these likes up. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you're here. Give me a thumbs up. What do you feel about yesterday's Fed report? Are we going to have another blistering day, or things are going to recover? What do you think? What do you think? Any reaction to that? Let me know in the chat. I need a signal. What signal do you need? What does that mean? I need a signal. What platform do you use? I use Robinhood. I prefer it. I've got eToro, but Robinhood is far easier. You own your own crypto. It's cheaper. It's easier. The services it provides are better. It's simpler to use. It's fantastic. If you come to YouTube, links here. or use my all links button. I've got some Robinhood free stocks to give away. If anybody wants free stocks, if you're in the US and you use my referral, you get free stocks for doing absolutely nothing. Just set up an account, it's free, and you can get free stocks. My link, it's in my all links button up here. You come out of the main live show on my profile, click the all links button, or come into YouTube and I'll give it you that way. Links in the profile. And is Robinhood in the UK? No. Robinhood is not available in the UK yet. It's coming, but right now it's in the US. But anybody from the US watching me right now, if you want free stocks, I have a referral code, and there's free stocks you can claim for absolutely nothing. You don't spend any money whatsoever. And if you want information how to do that, this is my Robinhood account. Come into YouTube right now. I'm here, and I'll explain it to you. All right, let's go back to the main position. You can see I'm up 0.62 on the hour, 35. S&P is going up slightly. Rio Tinto's going up. Virgin Galactic's holding above that 5. We was hoping that we would get a bounce today. If we don't, I might have to take a loss on it to protect my portfolio. Might have to do that. We'll see how we go. If you come into TikTok from YouTube, let me know you're here, and I'll put you into my free prize draw tomorrow. We have a cash prize draw every Friday. If you want to be in it, just come into YouTube, come into the chat, and you will say I'm from TikTok, and I'll put you in my free prize draw. What stock app are you using in Europe, or can I use in Europe? You can use eToro, you can use Webull. There's many others. I use Webull, eToro, and Robinhood. I prefer Robinhood by a long way. Will you give me free stocks tomorrow? I'll give free stocks away all the time. Today, I do it all the time. It's absolutely free. It's what I do. If you click on the profile up here, we're here to help people, right? The all links button, you'll see all my, in fact, I'll put it on the screen for you so you can see. This is my all links button. If you go on to it'll come on the screen here in about 10 seconds time. Will Ledwidge, how are you, Will? Here it comes. Oh, hang on, I'm not showing it yet, am I? Beg your pardon. I'm just showing this to my YouTubers just a second, so they can see this. All right. If you go into the all link, if you click the profile here on the all links button, you just come out of the main live show on my profile. This is the all links button, and then you can get my free weekly newsletter if you want to be in my cash prize draw. I do it every Friday. But if you scroll down, these are all my sponsors. Look, here, look. One's with a dollar sign, look. Can you see? There you are, the money, look. Robinhood, give me free stocks. eToro, give me free stocks. Crypto.com, give me free stocks. Coinbase, give me free money. Webull, give me Apple stocks to give away. I've got all these stocks, and you click on them, set up an account for free. And if you want support on how to do it, just come to YouTube and I'll show you how to do it. But there you go. That's how you get some free stocks. Free money for everybody. It's just a promotion I get because I have a referral from these brokerages. But I also use them so I can support them as well. All right? You don't have to spend any money or do anything. Okay. The overall portfolio is up 0.73 on the hour, so we're still rising. Okay, we're just going to run to a quick whoops-a-daisy. What was that there? Create a highlight. All right, we're going to go. Ignore me a minute, I'm talking rubbish. We're going to go to a quick commercial break. I will see you back in just 30 seconds from now. In fact, it's another minute to go yet. I'm jumping the gun a bit. Jumping the gun. Thank you, Bill, for the rose, by the way. I appreciate that. If you'd like, as a subscriber to my channel, if you'd like me to make you another promotional video, I will. I'll do it once a month, every time you're a subscriber. Also, if you want me to make a video on a stock for you, I will do that. I'll put your channel on here and promote you. So if you want that at all, let me know, and I'm more than happy to do it. Okay, now then, we're hoping to scalp Virgin Galactic today. Well, in fact, we're not looking to scalp it at all. We're just looking to sell the stocks we've already made. So technically, that's not a scalp. A scalp is when you buy and sell on the same day. If you've got stocks you're just trimming off, that's just good business. And thanks, go for it. Thank you, Bill. I'll do more I can to help you in any way I can. iPhone or PC? Both. What's the questions? Desktop and iPhone. Not sure what your question is, Banny G. Anyway. Okay, we'll go to a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. Quickest break in the history of the world. You ready? Here we go. And we're back. All right. If you get the ads, all you got to do is skip the ad. If you wish to skip the ad, you can not miss a beat. Or, of course, you can get YouTube Premium, and you won't see any ads at all. I'll be interested to see how space does today. Yes, you are, Jason. Desperate to see it go up. Desperate to see it go up. I'm extremely overweighted. Extremely. If you look at VU is 17.8 of my portfolio. It should be. The S&P 500, SPX, whichever way you enter it, should be the biggest part of your portfolio, in my opinion. And 14.4 just behind is Virgin Galactic. Tesla's pretty good, 14.58. And Apple is 4.9, and Amazon is 4%. So all the big ones are in my portfolio. Rio Tinto's going up. We've got the dividend today. The S&P is just pushing up. We want to see a nice rally today. 6.69. I'll be interested to see what's the dividend. 6.69. Is that Rio Tinto? Rio Tinto is 12.84. What's the dividend for what? For what stock is that? Oh, you're talking about GSK. Oh, GSK, got you. Okay, good stuff. Thanks for all the follows, by the way, here on TikTok. Appreciate your support very much indeed. If you want to be in the main show or you want some free stocks, got some free stocks to give away today, completely free. If anybody wants them, you just click on the profile here, find the all links button, scroll down, and I'm sponsored. I've got referrals from Robinhood, and I got referrals from eToro and Coinbase and Crypto.com. Free crypto, free stocks. This is my all links button. Just come out of the main. Just the profile here, come out of the main show, and you'll see my all links button. Scroll down, and down here on this page, you'll see the where the dollar signs are, the money here. You've got Robinhood, eToro, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Webull, all my social media. Free stocks. I'm sponsored by different companies, and I get referral codes to give out free stocks. Doesn't cost you any money at all. I've trimmed but now hold 2.5 positions, 2 times positions at 448. Yeah, I need to trim as well. 503. Really want to see a rally today. At the moment, we're up 0.68. Last position is 546. Okay. We need that. I need that 541. I need 541. Do you have any investment qualifications? No. This is not financial advice. I get asked that all the time. This is entertainment. This is my own experiences, my real money, my real trades. I'm joined by traders and investors from around the world every day who share with you their equal experiences. Everything is real. Everything is honest. This is my real money, all of my real money. So no. Do I have any investment qualifications? No. I'm not a financial advisor at all. It's below all my videos, full disclosure. I'm just a real guy investing my real money, all from $5,000. You can see that's what I started with. I'm up to 35,000 now. We do it live 10 hours a day in front of you, so we don't pump and dump anything. We don't promote anything. We just share our trades, and our investors every day join us and share with you their real positions, their real trades. I can share with you my entire portfolio. It's all my money on the line every day, every penny. other than 2 grand I have in the bank. That's it. I sit on YouTube 10 hours a day. This is my real journey. I'm a full-time YouTuber, TikToker, and Twitch is how I earn my money. It's how I live. And it's only about $10 a day, but I have no mortgage. So I live basic life, just in this studio all the time. Thanks. I meant more if you ever traded with others' money for a firm. No, I've never traded with anybody else's money. No, I'd never do that. Not allowed to do that. Wouldn't want to do that. No. And you're welcome to ask any questions you like. You will notice in our chat, we have officially on YouTube the highest engagement rate of live viewers who are members. There are much bigger channels than ours, much more views than ours, but in the live shows, 95% of all our live viewers are members, and we're growing all the time. It's because we're live all the time. It's honest. It's real. We support charities. I give money away all the time. I do fundraisers in my studio. I'm known as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio behind me. Let me give you a wave. There you go. And as a member to our channel, a couple of bucks a month, you can get all the perks and benefits of the events. You can celebrate your birthday, access to Discord, talk to all our traders and investors, get replies to comments. There's a membership program designed to benefit you. We can even advertise your business or your charity. You can sponsor our newsletter. We have our cash prize giveaway every Friday, which is tomorrow morning. I give away the money I make in the video all the time. And when we go live, we're actually live on about 20 platforms at the same time. Stephen Rowe, 20 times back what you put in. There you go. Stephen Rowe is one of our members. Don't ask me, ask our members. Some of our members have been a member for a year. Since we got monetized last December, there are some members who have been members the entire time. We have 6 gold members now, by the way, which is our 3rd highest level. There you go. So if you want to become a member, I've told you all about it, but 100 times more the fun. Yeah. Don't forget, for any of our members, when it's your birthday, not just for you, but for your family or anybody that you love, let me know and we will feature you in the show. You get a happy birthday song, all the members join in, you own the video, remember all that. Don't forget. Here is the invitation to join in the chat on YouTube. There it is if you want to become a member, and if you want to access Discord and talk to all our traders and investors, call into the show live. Here is the Discord link. Remember, until you're a YouTube member, you only get basic access. You don't get all the exclusive access until you're a YouTube member. All right, the overall market has now moved up a little bit. I'm up 0.91322. So we're moving up slightly. We're really, really, really hoping today that we can get a bounce on Virgin Galactic so I can trim back. Rio Tinto's going up. The S&P is going up. Tesla's going up. Let's hope it's not a pump and dump this morning. Let's hope with this 1% rate hike that we can feel confident with the Fed and we can start to regard this as the bottom and to buy in and to hold our stocks up. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see now. We really, really want to see that. We're up 355 now. 1%. 355. We're green today. Let's hope this continues. Normally we get this pump and dump. Now, traditionally after the Fed, there can be a rally, but obviously it depends what stocks you've got. And then by Friday, we might be seeing sell-offs again, which is why I want to get some money out of SPCE if I can. If I can get 540 today, that would be perfect. Even if I get 520 or 530, something to take out of it to reduce risk and strengthen my stock. Hi, why does Webull only have 2 reviews on App Store? No idea. Can't answer that question. Webull is a very well-known brand. It's got millions of users. I don't know why. No idea. People just don't want to review it. No idea. I don't I have an account on Webull. I have an account on eToro. I prefer Robinhood, though, by a long way. If anybody in the US is watching me right now and anybody wants some free stocks, I give away free stocks every day using my referral. Click up here. You find the All Links button. And if you want to do that, you can. And then I'll give you support and show you how it works. This is my YouTube show where we are right now. And this is my Robinhood account. I've gone from 5,000 to 35,000 in the last year. We are down, though, overall, because we've had a really bad few months. Thanks for all the follows, by the way, everybody. Thank you very much indeed. Good morning, Caden. Do you trade options or just stocks? Just stocks. I don't like options at all. I don't like predicting dates into the future. It's not my thing. I don't like doing it. It's not something I do at all. So you know, I don't like options trading at all. I'm not saying never. I'm just not really a fan right now, if I'm honest. Because particularly with the markets the way they are, and I don't like shorting anyway. I'm not a negative person like that. I'm not looking to... I invest in stocks because I buy the companies. I buy the value. The price is just merely the price on the day. Good morning, bulls, and afternoon, bulls on the other side. How are you? Good morning, church. Are we going to see a relief rally today? Are we going to see it? Let's hope so. The S&P is moving up. We're trying to take some profits from Virgin Galactic. We have to do it. We have to do it. We don't have all the money in the world. Short is a strategy. It is a strategy. There are loads of ways to play the markets. It's up to you. It's whatever suits you. Whatever makes you calm and relaxed and gets you to trade in a relaxed, calm manner is the right way. When you're knee-jerk reaction and you're fearful and you're stressed, you know, that's the worst situation. Not even covered calls. No. I like to buy the piece of the pie, own the asset, and then when I'm ready, sell it for a profit. Simple. It's no stress. It's no fear. Sometimes I'll scalp trade 50 times a day, 100 times a day. There's no charge on Robinhood, so I can do it as much as I like. But ultimately, I have a goal. I know what my goal is. $100,000 by the end of this year, $200,000 by the end of next year, and then move more and more into dividend stocks and so on. But I'm also, remember, providing a YouTube show, so it has to be entertaining as well. People don't want to just go, well, he's bought his stocks and now he'll sit there for 20 years. Well, that's not much of a YouTube show, is it? Anyway, you don't short at all you don't short all the time unless you're rich. Yeah, there you go. Church. I use options because the downside is limited, so you never take short positions. No. Tough to make money being long in a market where interest rates are rising. Yeah, it might be difficult, but then, you know, maybe I'm a crazy idiot. I like the tough journey. You know, I'm not fearful of anything. I'm not stressed by anything. I find a way to find opportunities in every situation. And remember, what we're doing here, number one, is we're growing the best YouTube channels in the world. I say channels because there are two. This one and the music channel. I'm the World Piano Man. If you look below the video, there is my other channel. There you go, see? Martyn Lucas, there's my other channel. It's on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I always find the positive in everything. There's always an opportunity to make money or to grow or to be successful. I couldn't tour anymore because of my, COVID and my bulging discs in my back due to many 34 years actually of touring. So now I built a YouTube show. I've been here a year. The first 10 months I sat here for free. Didn't earn a penny. Got monetized in December. Started by earning about 50 cents a day. Now I earn about $10 a day. This is from somebody who used to earn $20,000 when I sold out a theatre. So, I'm investing in myself. But more importantly than any of that, I don't really care about being a millionaire. as long as I got food in my belly, it's all I care about. More importantly, I want to build a community which shares a real, honest family. Which we've raised fortunes for charities. We've helped everybody. We've had people come on the show the day of their father dying, just a few days ago. We had a guy who lost his dad on the day and came into the show and wanted some music. He wanted me to sing him Time to Say Goodbye and Smile by Charlie Chaplin. And I sung him that in the show. We've had people get margin called. We've had people in hospitals. We've had people with COVID. We've had people with chemotherapy treatments. And we support everyone. We've financially we've supported people. Emotionally we've supported people. We're a family, and it's the most honest, real YouTube channel you'll ever find. That is why I support you, Mr. Clocky. There he goes. I appreciate it. And all the members and what funds the live shows. Without the members, I wouldn't be here. I mean, that $10 a day is just enough to keep the lights on and just enough to pay the internet bill and so on and so forth. But hopefully it'll go up in time. Maybe I'll earn $20 a day. You never know. Because my savings is gone. Anyway, whatever. Right, let's hope today we don't get smashed. Okay. We're on the hour now. It's time for a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in just 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And we're back. All right. Hello, my man, Mr. Church, Stephen Rowe. Great, Martin. Thank you. Love you all. Anyway, on the 15th of October, Deep in the Money is here. Hello, Deep in the Money. How are you? Now remember, our members, your badges will turn yellow and then gold and then red, and the benefits and perks go up. Remember, we are coming up to my annual vacation shortly. For October every year. I'll say every year. This is the second year. I take the month off. As you know, I'm going to England to make the film for Virgin Orbit, and some of you are going to be there with me on the 15th of October for the party on the beach and in the hotel. I'm making the film, and we'll have a live broadcast of the opening bell on the Saturday, the 15th of October. I want a green badge first. Yeah, you'll turn green soon. You're light blue. You're like light blue now. Then you turn green, and then you turn yellow, and then you turn. I think it's then you turn gold, and then you turn red. Anyway, if you want to join me on the 15th of October, it's in the newsletter. The information of how you can be there. If you want the newsletter, just ask me for it. And you can be with me on the 15th of October in Cornwall, in England. And what we're going to do, we've got videos coming out at the same time, the opening and closing bell, during the month of October. So there'll be pre-recorded videos, but we want to keep the community going. So I will pop into the live chat. I will share conversations with you whenever I can. If I've got signal, I'm not on the beach or sat in the garden or whatever. And so we'll go live at the same time, but it'll be a pre-recorded video. And then, of course, from time to time, I'll pop up on live shows. What's up, Clockwork? Got my space down to 570. Nice. Got to go to meeting. See you later. See you later, Clocky. Hello, Mr. Church. Deep in the Money's back. How are you, Deep in the Money? Okay. Tesla's is falling back. Rivian. We've got Day Trader of the Day. We've got our cash giveaway tomorrow as well. Don't forget. Right. Hang on a minute. How many people watching? How many likes? Right. You know what we got to do. Subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. Where's my focus gone? There we go. Subscribe and ring the bell and give me a thumbs up. Okay. You want the song? We want 20 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. 20 likes in 1 minute. Let's do it. Let's go for 20 likes in 1 minute. You ready? Here we go. Sitting by the beach. Very nice indeed, Deep in the Money. Okay. Remember, we've now got more perks for our members than any other time. So please stay a member of our channel and you get more benefits. If you have let your membership lapse and you renew it, it holds the history for a period of time and continues your history. If you let it lapse for more than, I think, 30 days, you'll go back to the beginning. So just bear that in mind. Thank you for the... Hey, Sean Smith. Who's Sean Smith? Give me that all that love. Oh, who's that? Is that Sean? As in suited and booted? Is that you? I don't know. Is it you? Maybe it's not. I don't know. Sean Smith, thank you so much for the love. If you want some free stocks, I've got some free stocks to give away today. I've also got some cash giveaway on Friday. If anybody'd like anything like that, click the all links button here, and it brings you to this page here. You need to come out of the live show. So there's the all links button on the screen, just coming up now. Here it comes. If you scroll down. Here it comes. Give it 5 seconds. There you go. If you scroll down, you'll see all my referrals from my sponsors. And here they are. I've got Robinhood free stocks, eToro, Crypto.com, Coinbase. Free stocks. If you want to claim any of that stuff, you can. There you go. And I will provide service on YouTube to support you as well, so you know how it all works. All right. Thanks for all the follows. Really appreciate it. Okay. What are you currently long of? Long? I'm long on everything. I believe all the companies. If you want me to share my entire portfolio, if you become a member, I will share with you my entire portfolio. I'll answer all your questions. You can call in live to the show. I have to prioritize my members. That's how we work here, and it will get busier in a minute when we get into the main day. So I have to prioritize. Oh, upgraded. Wow! We've got Portland Trailblazers has upgraded to gold, our 7th gold member. It's our 3rd highest membership. Fantastic. Right, Portland Trailblazers. Huge thank you to you. You are our 7th gold member. You get many, many perks now. First of all, a huge thank you so much indeed. That is our 3rd highest. Next year I'll be gold. Wow. Well, you get lots of benefits for being gold. First of all, let me just thank you sincerely. Let's everyone celebrate. This is great. This really helps the channel, keeps me live. I appreciate it massively. Here we go. Thank you so much. Thank you. Really appreciate that. Now, Portland, in addition to all the benefits you already get, you can have your own channel on Discord. If you wish to promote your own business or share your own stocks, your own trades, or your own charity, or whatever it is, you can have your own channel on Discord. Just request it, and I'll create it. We can also put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel right at the top with the gold members. These are our gold members right at the front here. Okay, we can put you up here so you'll get more subscribers and more followers. I'll also make you a video to put on your channel if you make me a manager, if you want me to. But as a gold member, in addition to all of that, you also get permanent discounts in our store. So if you want to buy day trader merchandise, you know, mugs and hats and fleeces and everything else for Christmas, you get a permanent discount. I will send that to you if you want the discount. You also get, and why you may have gone gold, is you get 2 one-hour Zoom calls a month, per one-on-one if you wish to have that. And what that does is that gives you, if you want to build a YouTube channel and you want me to analyze your channel, I can and audit it for you, help you set up the studio, I'll show you all my equipment. So one-on-one, you can ask me anything you like. You get 2 one-hour Zoom calls a month. You book through my Calendly, and I will chat with you and help you any way I can. Go into your channel, tell you about the thumbnails, the tags, the posts, all the things I have learned by doing this as my job, and I will share with you. So thank you so much indeed. So much. Boy, did I need that today. Amazing. And of course, you also get a 20-minute event if you ever wish to do a fundraiser or a wedding or a birthday. There are people who hire me in person, $5,000 to do weddings. You can have a wedding now for free on a big screen or an anniversary. I'll do a 20-minute concert from my studio onto a big projection screen at your venue, whatever it might be. And you get that for free now as a gold member. 20 minutes, all right? Which you could do for a charity as well if you wanted to. And all the money goes to your charity. Anyway, thank you so, so much. How exciting was that, everybody, on TikTok? Wow. Can't wait for the rest of the family to get here to tell everybody about it. Right, subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up as well. Now then, we've got... I never quite did it, did I? I never quite did it. We need... what do we need? 30 likes in 1 minute. I was just about to do it, and I got the big surprise of that. Anyway, here we go. We need 30 likes in 1 minute. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said a chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. We need 30 likes in 43 seconds. Chicky, 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 ooh. How often do you come live, mate? 10 hours a day, 5 days a week. I'm always here. Best place to watch me, though, is YouTube, right here. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. We need 5 more likes on YouTube. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi, please stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. If you want to make money today, look into my crystal ball. You've got to smash the like button, otherwise there's no money to be made here today. Smash the like. 10 seconds to go, 4 likes to go. Will we do it? Stephen Lewandowski, hello, hello, hello. Steve 1081, good morning, good morning, good morning. We just had a massive moment today on our show. Couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it. Absolutely amazing. Let's go back to our main portfolio. We've got just 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. Just over that now, actually. Good morning. We've got a gold member in the house. Rip City, Portland Trailblazers TV just became gold. Please take advantage of that. Let me give you your Discord link should you wish to use Discord. And of course, if you set it up during the show, I will manually upgrade you and also give you your own channel if you request it. And if you request to me that you want your position on our YouTube, on our homepage of the YouTube channel, you can have that as well. Okay, we're just flat on the hour at the moment. The S&P is just falling back. Virgin Galactic 505. We really want to get it up today. Virgin Orbit, Tesla just falling back, but still old money 903. It's still very healthy. Still very healthy. Expecting the best quarter in its history this next quarter in a month or so's time, 2 months' time, a month and a half, something like that. 505 at Virgin. Let's check our crypto right now. Ethereum up 3%. Bitcoin 19,158. Enphase Energy up 4.5 plus my 65% profit, so I'm happy with that. The overall position, as you can see, we're just down slightly over the hour. Been flat all day. It's been uneventful so far today. Little bounce, but not enough. Not enough to trim off the top. Nothing to get really excited about, I'm afraid. Let's have a quick look. Did we gain any subscribers today to our channel? When we hit 5,000, we got our superstar, Greg Dickerson. 60,000 subscribers on YouTube coming on our show as a guest. So let's have a look. 4974. No, it didn't move. Didn't move. 4974. We just need 26 more subscribers and we'll have our star guest on our show, Greg Dickerson. If you'd like to follow me on YouTube, click links in the profile. If you want any of my free stocks I give away all the time from my sponsors, click on the profile, the all links button. You need to come out of the main live show. All right, back to trading again. Here we go. S&P is just dropping slightly. I'm opening up Discord now, And if any of you come into Discord, I want to know who you are so I can upgrade your accounts. I've got 2 people here just appeared. If this is you, you only see the public channels right now. 2 people have just joined. If these are you in the live chat, tell me they are you, and I can upgrade these accounts. And I have to do it that way because people pretend to be our YouTube members to gain all the benefits, and we don't want to give the cash prizes and all the benefits to the wrong people. We get people like that all the time. All right, so if that's any of you today, let me know. I'm going to open up the broadcast lounge as well for our members. If you are a YouTube member, you can see the broadcast lounge, which means you can call in. You can call into the show. There you go. I'm on Discord. But I only have public view. Right. Aaron Way, what is your Discord? What is your Discord name? All Crystal Bull. What is your Discord? I will give you, as you are a YouTube member, what is your Discord? We've got somebody else just signed up today on Discord. So I need you to tell me what it is in here, and I will upgrade it for you. Okay, I'll come back to the trades as soon as you've done that. If you've just gone to Discord and you're a YouTube member, Siddhartha. Is that you? Is that you? Well, you're not a member. You're not a member of. You're not a data. You're not a YouTube member. So I can't upgrade your account. But this is you, is it, Sid? So I'm going to change your name here so I know who you are. Give you a nickname. I can't upgrade you, unfortunately, because you are not a YouTube member, so I can't give you access. It's a Sid Hartha. We have the same name so people know who you are. You see, otherwise no one knows who you are on the platform, and it creates all kinds of problems. No problem. Understand. Aaron Way. If you come on in, let me have a look. How do you spell your name? I'm Aaron Way. Let's have a look. Is he online? No. Aaron Way. Let me scroll down. I don't see you in our no, you're not in our channel yet. You're not in our channel yet. Oh, there you are. Aaron Way. Is that you? 1088. Yeah, that's you. Rose, and you are a YouTube member. Yes. Rose. And 1088. There you go. Member. Okay, there you go. You've got full access now. You can call in live to the show. You can be part of the show. You can, if you ever go silver or gold, you can have your own channel as well. There you go. Many, many benefits and perks to you now. Okay, all done. Thank you very much for your patience, everybody. Thanks a lot. Will there be a dip tomorrow? Quite possibly on Friday. Rio Tinto. Virgin Galactic 505. Tesla is falling. Tesla. That's the first time it's done that. But it's still up over 3 months. It's still up over the month. It's just down slight on the week. That's all. I'd rather Stephen Rowe. I'd rather Bruce Dickinson. Bruce Dickinson? Who's that? Are you behind the show? You sound like you're behind when I was talking about Greg Dickinson earlier. Make sure that you press the live button and bring yourself up to date. And you know what I mean by that? Underneath the video. See underneath the video here? There's a live button. See it? It's red. If you go behind, look, now it turns grey because you're behind the live show. All you do is click the live button. Look, and now you're up to date. Make sure you're up to date all the time. Otherwise, you will be behind the show. Fundamentals or technical trader? Kind of both, really. But more importantly than any of that, I invest in the people, the CEO, the fundamental, the foresight of the company, where I see the world going, not where everybody thinks it's going to go. I don't follow trends. I don't follow what people say on YouTube, because most YouTubers just try to promote their own YouTube channels and their own headlines, their manipulation to get you to watch their shows. Even TV shows do the same thing. I noticed that in America, that all news channels are opinionated, whereas in England, the Sky News and the BBC, we just tell you the facts. Here in America, it's opinions. It's what someone thinks about something rather than what is. And I'm only interested in where I see the world going, not what everybody's trying to promote and sell me. So I'm kind of my own original person, really. I don't follow anybody. I do my own thing. I believe in what I believe, and I stand by my convictions. And fundamental, then. I don't label myself in anything. People say, are you a scalp trader, a day trader, long-term? I'm just here to make money, right? I scalp trade when necessary to survive in a market that's going down, take some short profits, like today. If I can get anything out of Virgin Galactic, I will. Because I have to. Doesn't mean I don't believe in it. Just the same as Elon Musk sold Tesla. Just the same as Richard Branson sold Virgin. You just got to do what's right and stay in the market. I believe in investing rather than spending. And I believe in staying in the market long term. And that's it. But also remember, I'm providing entertainment, not clickbait, not sensational lies just to get you to watch, but I am providing a show. So it would be a pretty boring show if I didn't do anything, right? If I just sat here and said, I'm buying the S&P 500, see you in 20 years. I mean, it would be pretty rubbish. No one would follow that, would they? Best way to use your money is with self-investment and giving back to your community. Exactly. That's exactly the way I live. And it's painful at times because I've got all my money on the line here. And we've been margin called before. Anything could happen. It's horrible. But, you know, it's only the markets are only going down because everyone's selling. If everyone stopped selling and just kept buying, or even not buying, just doing nothing, everything would be fine. But people are hell-bent on selling. But then you would sell if you were 65, 70 years of age, you've made loads of money in your retirement, and you want to sell everything. I understand that. I'll probably sell when I'm 75 as well. I have no choice but to dance with the devil. Yeah, I'm right, mate. I'm there with you all the time. You've no idea. Right with you. Okay, we're just coming up to the bell now. Just a few minutes to go. We've got day trader of the day, of course. We've got our cash prize giveaway on Friday. Tomorrow morning, we do it every single week. Let's see. I'm going to ask a poll. Are you in the draw? Whoops, hang on a minute. Let me end that. Have you opened this week's newsletter? Are you in the draw to win the money on Friday? Let me do... Hang on, I'll ask the question. Have you read the newsletter? So either yes, I've read it, so you'll be in the draw, I guess. No, you've not read it yet. Or no, but please put me in. So if you go, yes, please, no, but please put me in, I will give you the link. All right. So let's see if anybody wants the link today for the free prize draw. So have you read the newsletter for our cash prize draw in the morning? So it's yes, no, if you've not read the newsletter, or no, but please put me in. Okay, there you go. Iron Maiden lead singer, 80s to 2010. Iron Maiden lead singer, 80s to 2010. What's that? Referring to Dance with the Devil. Thoughts on S&P? S&P is the biggest part of my portfolio. It's the safest part of the portfolio. You always buy the dips, always. Whenever it goes down, you just buy more of it. It pays a decent dividend. It's the best companies in America, the strongest economy in the world, the best companies in the world, at a lower cost compared to. I use VU rather than SPY. It's cheaper. If you are trading in and out, then you should use SPY. But if you're just adding and not really trading on it, all you're doing is trimming off the top. If you're desperate for money, of course, the VU is cheaper. That's why I use VU. And that's my position. That's my S&P right there. And we're down 4.65. I'd like to buy some more. And I will buy some more if I can just trim off the top from Virgin Galactic. I'm down 7% at the moment on Virgin Galactic. I've been buying more of it. I believe that this stock will explode next year. It's being sold off because it's not got any news right now. Why would anyone buy it right now? You're parking your money. I understand that. So that's the only reason why it's gone down. If I can get some money out of it today, I will. And I'll buy VU. All right, we've got 5 minutes to go. Thanks for all the likes. Difference between ETF and CFD. CFD? What's the CFD? I've never heard that phrase before. Exchange traded fund is what I've got with VU. I've got several ETFs. I honestly I've never heard of a CFD, or maybe my brain's just gone blank for the minute. Good deal. Not really explode. No. I need to, not literally explode, I hope. No, bloody right. Otherwise, well, that's the point. That's why Virgin Galactic is taking its time to get it right. People are impatient. People are lazy. Ethan Blaine just subscribed to my channel. George, like margin in the UK. Never own the underlying asset, though. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. Wouldn't like that if that's the case. I like to own a piece of the pie so I can wait a minute, an hour, a day, a month, a year, 5 years. At some point, I can sell that company. I like to own the company, not because I'm a fan or attached to it in any way whatsoever, but I want to own the company, not a promise to buy a company. This is why I don't do options trading, which means it's $900 a share now. I remember when it was $3,000 a stock. Google, yeah, but remember, Google is just simply it's been split, it's been forward split, several times. So end of the day, Google is a good buy right now. Absolutely, over-the-counter stocks look good right now for stashing money. Google's going down. Google is a great buy right now. Right, the overall portfolio, I'm down 1% on the hour. We're coming up to the bell. Rio Tinto's going up. Virgin Galactic's holding. It's good that it's holding, I have to say. Right, we're coming up to the bell. So we're about to ring the bell. So let's get everybody up to date. Be right back with a quick commercial break. Skip the ad. Come right back. Let's get ready for an explosive day. Hold on to your seats, folks. Here we go. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Turkey cuts interest rates again as country struggles under 80% inflation. Wow, this is nuts. Options give you the right, not the obligation. I understand that. But to me, it's like going up to an attorney or a estate agent and saying, here's $5,000 for the promise of buying the house if the house goes up or down, depending which way you're going, of course. You've spent $5,000, right? And you still got to buy or sell the stocks, but you've spent this money in the prediction it's going to go up or down or whatever. Where I prefer just to own the house, and ultimately I bought the house because I know the house is going to go up in value in the future, and I have it to sell it. I prefer that way of investing. I don't buy anything because I think it's going to go down. I know people short all the time. I don't believe in that. I don't have negativity in my life. I mean, there are people working in the factory trying to make the company better, trying to build things, and people are shorting it. I don't believe in it. I like when people do it because very often they get squeezed out, and that suits me. But anyway, we're going to ring the bell. Here we go. Lightning round coming up. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. The markets are now open. Where are we going to go? We're going to do the lightning round and go through all the stocks. We're down 1%. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go. So the S&P is down 0.22. It's like a horse race. Here we go. They're starting to recover. Rio Tinto is up 4.1. We want to go down, really, for our dividend. Virgin Galactic has gone 4.99 back up to 5. Scalp trading going on Virgin Galactic. We need 5.30, 5.40 to get something out of this. Let's hope we uptrend today. Virgin Orbit is down to 330. Delayed flights down 0.9. Tesla down but moving up again. There we go. Quick trade there on Tesla. Rivian is down 0.03 but just holding on a wash. Lucid is now down 0.13. Overall up 0.49. We're slightly up. Polestar is down 0.82. Apple is on a wash right now. Amazon on a wash. Nothing's really moving. This is kind of a good sign. No one's selling out this morning. Hopefully we can get a buy-in soon. Apple is down 0.54 but rising. Robinhood is up 8.7. Great day for Robinhood today. McDonald's is down 0.54 at the moment. Robinhood, I would imagine, because interest rates are going up for margin. They'll make more money. Coca-Cola is up 0.09. Johnson & Johnson up 0.1 and rising. Google is now broken back through 100. Fantastic. My overall portfolio now is up 0.49. Google is now up 0.5% now. Nice. Very good. And rising. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic and see. It's 506. We want to get anywhere above 520, really. 520, we can start trimming off the top. We need to. It's vital that we do that. Apple is down 0.39. Robinhood is up. I've just covered that one. McDonald's is down 0.46. Coca-Cola is on a wash right now. My overall portfolio is up nearly 1%, $318. Very nice indeed. Google is now up 0.53. Microsoft is up 0.06. We have Meta Platforms is up 0.23. We have SoFi, which is up 1.14. IonQ up 1.38. PayPal is just down 0.2. Rolls-Royce is down 2.74. I'm out of that stock. Walmart is down 0.39. I'm overall up 9.89. Things okay at the moment. Okay, we're surviving. Target is down 0.94. Tesco is up 1.4. Robinhood now is up 10%. We're getting a big pump on Robinhood right now. Let me share with you my overall portfolio. There we go. I am up on the hour. I'm down slightly. We're watching it live there right now. Okay, back to the shares right now. Tesco is up 1.44. Very, very nice indeed. Canoe is down 3.54. On is up 0.06. Tilray Brands is up 0.3, moving up. Ginkgo Bioworks on a wash right now. Enphase Energy up 0.06. Bitcoin is up 2.76. That's SV. Bitcoin BTC up 2.28. And on the line, we have Ethereum at 2.56. There we go. What a morning so far. We're down slightly on the hour, but we're holding where we really started the morning. Nothing moving too much. So it's a kind of muted response to the Fed at the moment. So Virgin Galactic, we don't want to see this going down any lower. We want to see it rising today. This might not happen now. There's no good news coming out of Virgin Galactic today. So we might have to be prepared to trim off the top and take a small loss on some of the shares. Not all of them, just some, to trim it back, to rebalance our portfolio. We're overextended. Tesla's falling. We might have to do it. Tesla's going down 299. How is Bitcoin? How is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is up 2.4 at the moment. Let's bring in our comments. Let's have a look. I am up before the bell. Hey, Nicky Gaming over there. Nicky Boy Gaming is here. One of our gold members. We got another new gold member today, Nicky Boy Gaming. He's joined you. And your video is coming out soon. We're going to get everyone to watch your video tomorrow. Can you join us tomorrow? If you can join us tomorrow at this time, we'll feature your channel tomorrow and make your channel blow up. We do that for our gold members. Let me know if you want me to do, if you are in tomorrow. The US and allies are joining forces on chips. That could stop China reaching the next level. Better buy up PLAB. PLAB. Yes, I've got that one. Yes, but all you can lose is 5,000 if it's down 100 grand. Yes, but all you can lose. Yes, I understand that. It's about limiting your risk. I get that. Oh no, have I run out of my membership? No. Yes, on what do you call it? Twitch you have. Remember, it's free using Amazon Prime. It's free using Amazon Prime. Just turn it back on again. But you know you are a gold member here on YouTube still. Your badge will turn gold, yellow soon once you've been a member for a bit longer. Leading chip maker nations, including the United Nations, South Korea, and Japan, are forming alliances in part of to secure their semiconductor supply chain. Very nice indeed. The alliances underscore the importance of chips to economies. Correct. I'm at 1050 for space, an average of 541. Congratulations to you. There's my position right now. It's falling, but it's just holding on that $5. Please don't go down any lower. Nicky Boy Gaming channel in the house. Great to see you here. I'll be on tomorrow. Okay, I'll get your video out for tomorrow then. Intel exclusive from church. Okay, that's okay then. I've subscribed to on Twitch. Brilliant. Remember, if you use Amazon Prime, it's free on Twitch, and Twitch is now live streaming more than YouTube, so there's a very good reason to get on to Twitch. It's free using Amazon Prime, and every month on the first Friday we do a cash prize giveaway, so make sure that you are actually subscribed on Twitch as well. We've got 16 subscribers over there. Keep a tab open, very, very important. A. Ingram. How are you, A. Ingram? Malk UK has just become a bronze member. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Right, welcome. If you are now on Discord, I can upgrade your channel. Here you go. Here's Discord. Go on to Discord right now and tell me what your username is. This is our Discord. Once you are here, tell me what your username is. I'll upgrade your account. Don't forget now, you get many perks and benefits, including, of course, on your birthday for you or your family. We'll celebrate your birthday together, so make sure that you remember that. That's there for you. Thank you so much indeed. Would everybody please welcome Malk UK? And if you ever become a silver member, we can put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel and also feature your channel and get everyone to subscribe to you during my Friday Members Day as well. Okay. So 50% so only 5% have not yet got into the newsletter. So I'm going to give it to the 5% of you. It's probably like 2 of you, maybe. So here we go. For those of you, the 5% that would like to be in our free prize draw every Friday, here is the weekly newsletter then in the chat. When you click on this, it's the all links page I showed you earlier. It'll bring you to this page here. You put your email in. We do it through an email newsletter every week. That way it's secure. You can unsubscribe if you ever want to, but don't know why you would. It's a free cash prize draw. Put your email in there. Once you've done it, you need to verify the email. It will send you an email and you need to verify it. Now, because it contains the word cash prize draw, it'll probably go into your junk folder. The email you're looking for, search that, is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Once you've been verified, you will receive a newsletter every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, and you will be in, and you can enter our free to enter prize draw every single week. All you do is watch one of our short videos, might be a minute long, leave a comment, and there's also the Twitch monthly cash giveaway as well. It's free to enter, free for all. There you go. All right. Malk UK. Once you've done your Discord, let me know, okay? Virgin Galactic is still falling. I might be forced shortly to sell some at a loss. I might have no option. The S&P is also falling. The overall portfolio on the hour is down 1.73. Rio Tinto is up. Virgin Galactic is now 498. Hey Bill, 497. This is new territory, all-time lows. Cheers, guys, from Oxford, UK. I'm actually from Cornwall, mate. I'm from Cornwall, and I'll be in Cornwall soon. On the 15th of October, we're having our annual convention. You can meet us on the beach in Newquay if you want to. If you want to meet the family, be live on the opening bell. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. We're going to have a party on the beach. We've got entertainment in the hotel in the evening. 15th of October. If you want to be there, it's $50 in the super chat or £50 in the super chat, whichever you like. You'll get all the information in the newsletter, and you will be added to the list. There includes a pasty lunch on the beach, includes a drink at the bar, includes entertainment, the hotel. You can stay overnight. The whole thing is there for you. I might need to sell a small amount of Virgin Galactic at a small loss because we are going down, and try and buy it back cheaper. Unfortunately, I don't know if we're going to get a bounce back. There's no good news, and if we get this feeling that we're selling off, there's nothing to hold it up. It's never been this low before. It's just unfortunate. I'm prepared to do it. We are now downtrending 1.89. I don't know how low it's going to go. There's a lot of shorters now shorting the stock, trying to drive it down. Very little I can do about it. But what I could do is take it at a loss and put it into VU. That would make sense. It's sad, I'm afraid, but it's the situation that we're in. People are not innovative, investing. They're just shorting stocks now. People are just selling everything, destroying the markets. I don't know why. I don't know why this is happening. It makes no sense to me if we all stopped just selling everything. But now I've got to join in. I've got no choice. I'm not Warren Buffett with buckets of money to keep buying more and more dips. It's not possible. What you do in this situation is you buy lower, but I can't. I can't afford it. Well, it's a bear market. It is a bear market. But I was hoping today we'd get a bit of a rally. It's just been a bear market for 6 months now, and longer actually, since December. What's that? 9 months. Everything's being sold off. Well, I've got to stick to my principles. My strategy was, if it fell this morning, I'd have to start exiting. Sad, really sad. Yeah, nothing I can do. I can't just keep going down and down and down and down and down. I mean, in the end, I'll be wiped out. I mean, everybody will. I mean, it's a rich man's market right now. If you've got the money, you've already made your money. You sell everything, drives it all down, and everybody loses. Japan has started intervening with the currency. Global FX markets are panicking, and how strong the US dollar is right now. Market profit. The reason it's happening is that interest rates are basically historically low for a decade, and the market is in a bubble because of it. The day trader, you should be buying now, not selling. That's all very well and good, but I can't afford it. I've got no money left. I'm all in. I'm overextended. Nothing I can do. I haven't got any money. I would. Of course I would. I haven't got a choice. I haven't got a choice. There's nothing I can do. See, there's nothing to hold Virgin Galactic up. I know it's a good investment. I know. And if I had some money now, if I had, I don't know, $500 a super chat right now, they are. Everyone do $10. If I had $100 a super chat now, or whatever, I would buy it. But I haven't got the money. Thank you very much. I've invested everything I can. I've put everything into the markets. There's nothing more I can do. Nothing more I can do. And unfortunately, people do not share. Overall, they do not share my sentiment of the future of space and technologies and stuff like this, and they're just selling it. The trouble is, it will go up next year, and there's nothing I can do. I am buying at the moment BAKKT. Good luck, Clocky. Inflation is a tough battle in a country that prints and borrows all the time. I think that's what you meant. You got too overexposed very, very quickly. Well, I've just been buying each dip for the last 10 months. But remember, everybody who came in the market, I started trading a year ago, year and a half ago, the worst time probably in the history of the world. Because we were on a pump after COVID. I was just winning, and now I'm losing all the time. I've never experienced anything like it. So I've been buying on the way down because I have been told and learned that, markets recover over time. So you keep buying the dips as things get cheaper. That's what you do. But market profit said months ago it's going to go down another 20%, another 30%. But no one knows when the bottom is. Nobody knows, not even market profit. No one knows when the bottom is. No one. Well, all we know is it should be, on principle, nearer the bottom than the top. Because we've lost, my portfolio is lost 50% over the last 9 months. So, if I could have known all of this, I would have not bought 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 5 months ago. I would have sat and waited. And bought today. And then you go, well, that's wrong because it's going to go down again next month. So I wait another month and then it goes down another month. You can't win, can you? The bottom is in line with the Fed announces that they're supporting the markets again, like they did in March 2020. Well, when they do that, the markets will already know about it before I get to find out about it, being a little-time retail YouTuber investor, and the market would have already bounced because it can go up. We all know it can go up 20% in 5 seconds. If suddenly the Fed decide to do something and all the people in Wall Street know about it, they know about it before we do. So anyway, same as yesterday, big trough. I know it's lower than this. See, Ali's going, I know it's lower than this. Well, there ain't nothing I can do. I've run out of moves. Do I sell now? Let's ask everybody. All right, are we going to get a bounce now? I don't know. Let's do a poll. Do I sell and take a loss? Not all of my shares, just some to reduce my position. I'm overextended. You know what I mean? I'm overextended. Do I sell some SPCE? All right. Yes or no? There you go. The bottom is in when the Fed announces. Look at the 20-year chart in the S&P. That tells you where we are in the interest rate cycle. Yes, I've looked at that. No, if you jumped in on March 20, you would have been able to ride it for 18 months. Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah, but I didn't. Unfortunately, I've said that 1,000 times. I wished I had got in on the market at COVID. Unfortunately, I missed that boat. I wasn't doing all this. Market profit. The bottom is in when the printer money is on. No, I'm with Martin. We will make it. We had to have the crazy rally for a month in 2021. I should have sold out and waited for this. Space is very concerning at the moment. The company's doing great. There's no bad news at the company. This is what's interesting. I follow Virgin Galactic very closely. I get emails from them every day. I know what they're doing at the factories. I know who they're hiring. I know what they're doing. It's all great. This is the price. This isn't the value of the company. This is no reflection on what they're doing at all. They just haven't got any announcements to make. They're not coming on going, well, we've just put the spaceship together. We've sold some more tickets. Everything's great. They're not saying that, but it's happening. This is just people selling it. And the people sell it, it goes to zero. I mean, what can I say about that? Yes, it's an easy trade. Hodl and patience is the key. You are too close to the bottom. We need some good news on space. One headline away from a bounce. I know. I know. It will bounce up above 5 later today. Margin time, says Arnold. Hodl. Hold on for dear life. 1 billion in reserve. Space. I know. They've got plenty of money. I know. The company's great. I just won 1,900 on the lottery ticket this morning. Woohoo. Bloody hell, mate. Nice one. Congratulations. Let's give him a congratulations. That's nice. There you go. What's the saying? Money comes to money. There you go. Congratulations, market. Very nice for you. Remember yesterday, the full swing back after talk. Will it return? I think so. Well, the day trader, you know how it goes. You sell, and right after it pumps. Yep. The company has been doing great. What do you think will happen when their funding costs increase with interest rates? Yeah. Market profit. Have a super chat for my win. Thanks ever so much, mate. Bloody hell. I really appreciate that very much. Thank you very much indeed. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Very, very nice. Let me put you on the screen. There you go. If I get $7 more, we can get a song at the end of the show. I need $10 per show for a song to cover the copyright. That way I'm back to square one. I don't get any money, right? Because the money I would have made, I lose. That's why I asked for $10. We'll have to know space. We'll have to know space is super duper speculative. Well, I know. Well, it's speculative and it isn't. It's a great company. I have a hard time believing the company when it goes down and then postpone their launches with Virgin. Because they're a rocket ship. They don't want to blow it up. That's why. It's the right thing to do. It's the right thing to do. Send us £50 market profit. Lend us 50 quid market profit. A nice one. Just wait till later, says Stephen Rowe. Billion in reserves is not a lot when you are going into space. It costs more than $1 billion to upkeep all the motherships. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Space is not going to zero. Be strong, Marty. I know it's not going to zero. I know it's not going to zero. Absolutely 100%. But there we go. I can't afford to stay in much further though. I just bought a tractor. The win helps to pay for. I just bought a tractor. The win helps to pay for it. I just bought a tractor. Oh, I see. Need to win another 175 grand to pay for the rest. By the way, I just want to point out, because actually I don't know if Market Profit's a member anymore. I don't think he is anymore. I don't think so. I might be wrong. Market Profit has 2 accounts, and I often get questioned, why do you respond to all Market Profit's questions? Is he a member? Because it's part of the perks. He has 2 accounts. This one, for some reason, is the one he uses. But he has another account. I'm not sure, actually. What is your account? Your name on the other account? I'll go and check. Yeah, right, Mr. Clock. Market will bounce end of the week. Yeah, right, Mr. Clock. I doubt that, though. I'm not so sure about that. You're a nice guy, mate, but your strategy of buying and hoping isn't a good one. Well, the thing is, I believe in the company. I believe in Virgin Galactic. I think I am, as far as I know, the main channel. Member for life. Well, until Martyn stops streaming. There you go, Shad. I appreciate that, mate. I appreciate that so much. You've got no idea. We're down another 4%. The S&P. USA markets flashing recession 2023. Careful with this no revenue companies. Oh, man. There's no bottom, you see. And people are just going on a chart. People have no foresight, no imagination, no belief in the future. None. People are greedy. People are selfish. And no one is understanding. I'll always be here as well. Nicky Boy Gaming. Oh, what's this? What's that? What's ZAR? Hey, what's that? 32 super chat hodl. What is that? Hey, look at that. ZAR. I've never seen that before. That's cool. That's cool. What is that? Fantastic. They don't call this the Faulty Towers invested for nothing. Martyn is our dreamer in a world of bad news. Well, I'll always be that way. I'll always be positive. I'll always try and see the good in everything. ZA, have you bought any shares today? No, we're just holding. I'm not in a position to buy any shares. I'll be with you, Martyn. There we go, Mike. Oh, man. We're flipping going down the toilet again. Yeah, and that's it. I know Richard Branson wants to make this his legacy. I've done Virgin Experiences. I know what this means to him. I know he'll put the money in. I know the company will succeed. I know it's more than innovative. It's more than just a simple South African currency. Ethan Blaine, thank you so much for your support. That's amazing. Really, thank you very much indeed. When I get to $10, I'll be doing a song on the show. We'll do Rocket Man, perhaps. Thank you so much indeed, Ethan. How wonderful is that? From Africa. Amazing. Right, so anyway, I've just forgot. We've got Day Trader of the Day, and we've also got a quick commercial break. I can't believe I've forgotten. You need to remind me, folks. I missed out on my 1 cent per person revenue. Okay, here we go. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. I need to do a quick commercial break. Here we go. And we're back. The trouble is, there is no reason why the stock can't go down to $2. None. None whatsoever. If people start selling it, there's nothing. I can't stop them from selling it. Nothing I can do. Damn it. Let's have a look. There's nothing to look at. There's no resistance. There's nothing to learn on the chart. It's now the RSI is saying it's oversold. If anyone cares about that at all, it's oversold now. No question. But it doesn't tell you anything. I mean, charts don't tell you a damn thing. Charts don't tell you anything. They tell you what people, they tell you what everybody's already done. It's all-time low. There is no support. I know there's no support. None whatsoever. Support doesn't even mean anything. People who believe on charts, and they're not buying the company. Now, if I'm rich, if I'm Warren Buffett, I look at this as an opportunity. TTV Spectre is now following on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. Got a new follower on Twitch. If you subscribe to me using your Amazon Prime, I do something other Twitchers don't do. Every first Friday of the month, I do a cash prize draw for all of my subscribers. And if you use Amazon Prime, it's free. Just turn on your gaming, it's free. I then give a cash prize away on the first Friday of the month, every Friday. We give away a cash prize on YouTube, and every first Friday of the month on Twitch, we give away the money I get in subscribers. So subscribe to me for free. It's just my way of supporting everyone who supports me. So there you go. Very fun to sit and watch your channel. You are so very positive. It's something we need. Thank you so much indeed. Well, if you're interested, just so you know, I'm actually the world piano man. I sing in 14 voices, 7 different languages. On the homepage of my YouTube channel, look, scroll down. There's Martyn Lucas. There is my music channel. You can go and subscribe to it if you like and hear my music after the show. But thank you very much indeed. Don't fight the market. Look at what it's doing and trade it. Damn, it's going down further. No one's got any belief in anything. Prime, do it. Join the family here. There you go. It's free. So I've got no choice. If everybody wants to sell everything, I can't stop anybody from doing it. Come on, Martyn, you got this. I know, it's the current market conditions. But every book I've read from investors, not YouTubers, not headline grabbers, investors in companies, not traders, not dealers, not scalpers, investors. They say, do you invest in the company or the price? I invest in the company. Do you believe that Virgin Galactic is going to be 30, 40, 50, 60, $100 in the future? Yes. So why would you not buy it when it goes down in price? Why would you not? It doesn't matter what the markets are doing. You just keep buying it when it goes down. Well, that's okay if you've got money. If you've not, then you're buggered. And that's it. And what we've got, unfortunately, we don't live in a world of investors anymore because everyone's got an app on their phone. We did a poll on our channel. And we discovered that most people do not, young investors on Robinhood, most people do not even look at the balance sheet. They do not even understand what Virgin Galactic is about. They don't even know what it is. They don't know what it is. They've not researched it. It just looks cool or not. Otherwise, why would anyone buy Sheba? Why would anyone buy Bed Bath & Beyond? Because it's on Reddit, it's on Twitter. It's easy to click a button on an app and play silly games like it's Space Invaders from the 1980s, and that's it. And we did a poll here the other day. We did a poll and discovered that no one knew what Michael Saylor was saying, the biggest holder of Bitcoin, and then they all went out and bought some. They didn't even know what he was saying. We used to go to the bank manager and learn what our investments were. Now we don't. Virgin Galactic is a great company. But it's owned by a lot of kids on Robinhood who are shorting it, don't know what it is, and it's driving it down. Good companies get destroyed like this. The company is still the company, but if the share price goes down too low, they can't raise money. They just can't do anything. Does Virgin Galactic have a balance sheet? No. It has 2 bits of toilet paper. No one has a clue what it is. Buying on leverage is not investing. It's gambling. No, it's not. I don't agree with that. Leave my pony alone. Hello, how are you? Leave my pony alone. Lovely to have you here. I think you're one of our originals, aren't you? Didn't you used to be a member? I can't remember now. crazy to sell anything today. Well, it's not if you've got no choice. Ford is extremely undervalued when you look at the balance sheet, and they have proof of sales already on their EVs, but yet everyone keeps selling and buying back. This isn't about us. No one invests anymore. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer. You try your damnedest to invest in something, and you just can't. So here we go again. We've been here before. You have a choice. You're not skint. I am. Trader Timothy. I earn $10 a day on YouTube. $10 a day. That is my income. I earn $10 a day. That's it. I don't have a car. I don't have a car loan. I don't have a mortgage. I paid off my house years ago. It's in England. It's there waiting for me. So great, that's good. But I sit here 10 hours a day. I have my electric bill. I have my internet, phone, and the equipment I maintain, so I can live for near nothing. Very, very cheaply. I don't go anywhere. I don't do anything. I'm just here every day doing this. And at the moment, I earn $10 a day. All my savings are in here. I have $2,000 in the bank. In fact, I have less than that now. As of yesterday, I have £1,500. That's it. That's all I got in the bank. £1,500. Sorry, dollars. I beg your pardon. It's holding now. I say 475. Get a real job then. This is a real job. Do you not think my time given to you is worth anything? Do you not think it's valuable to you? This is the best thing I can do, invest in myself and build a YouTube channel. I can't tour right now because COVID killed that industry. Anyway, this market doesn't operate off logic anymore, Martin. Just don't get married to space. Buy one more year of holding, but if you don't move next year, you should bounce. Thousands of other companies to invest. I agree. I saw lots of long positions in good money back in April. I didn't see because I'm an. Hang on. I saw a lot of long positions in good money back in April. I didn't sell because I am an investor, but now I think I regret that decision. There you go. Yeah. Space is a profitless company and has a massive debt. Although it has $1 billion on the balance sheet, the company makes no money. It's a gamble. Well, of course they make no money. They're starting out, aren't they? Amazon made no money at the beginning. No one made any money at the beginning. I wouldn't imagine Ford when Henry Ford came out with the first car. No, and they had to build a factory and so on and so forth. I bet it didn't make money in the first before it bought the cars and started selling the cars, did it? I bet it didn't. How is Arrival doing? Says Clocky. Arrival 87, just coming up now. If you are 100% long on leverage, that is absolutely insane, even in a bull market. I had 100,000 on the top 2 years ago. Now I have 40,000. That's how markets work. I had 100 grand on the top 2 years ago. Now I have 45 grand. That's how the markets work. Yeah. But in a recession, with tight money supply, only companies with free cash flows will do okay. Space is a long way from making any money. I know that. I see space at $15 to $20 in the beginning of 2023. My crystal ball holding strong on space. How long would things get if Putin starts World War III? How? Yes, indeed. World War III now we're dealing with. Yeah. And that's another thing. See, market profit is not always right. Market profit, you said about Lockheed, right? You said to me, buy Lockheed because, and I bought Lockheed because we're approaching a war and everyone's buying Lockheed, blah, 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 blah. Well, Lockheed has been dumped now as well. So what's all that about? Look, see? Nothing makes any sense anymore. It's all bloody Fakazi, like they say on the bloody the Wolf of Wall Street. We were told that military stocks are going up because of a potential war. Lockheed, that's going down. So nothing makes any sense. I bought Lockheed. I'm down 0.5%. I've got the dividends coming out on September 23 tomorrow. That's great. But overall, I'm down. That's not making any money. Someone explain that to me. Someone explain that to me. Market Profit with years of experience told me that Lockheed was a good investment because of the war. Well, that didn't work out either. Nobody cares about rockets right now when you have power ready to make us unemployed and crash. I know. Yeah, Virgin is just starting like a rival. Where do you sit? Where do you sit and work? Where do I sit and work? Well, I'm actually from Cornwall in England. My studio here is in Dallas, Texas. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to you. This is where I am. Arrival is a buy. Arrival have run out of money as well. So I agree they're a good buy, but they've run out of money as well. Well, I took another 41,000 space. 41,000 space at 488. It will be a swing. Looking to sell it at 495. See what I mean? See? There we go. There's the problem. Steezy G has bought it with the very intention of selling it to drive it down again. Doesn't believe in it. Just thinks it's going to pop up and sell down. That's the point. No one's buying anything they believe in anymore. 1,000 space units. Wow, 1,000 space units. Either you make me feel good, either you make real good money, or you lose it all. The market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. True. I've told you to buy silver. What app do you use? This is Robinhood. My brokerage is Robinhood. I've got a full TV studio here with 14 screens and lights and cameras and moving tracks and everything else. So, yeah. Do you rent your house? No, this is my wife's house. I own my house in England. My wife owns this house in the US. Theodore Roll just subscribed. We got people subscribing now on Twitch. It's a good idea because if you subscribe on Twitch, you'll be in. There we go. TTV Spectre 828. Thank you so much indeed for subscribing on Twitch. You'll be in my my monthly draw. It's completely free, and you can win money that way as well. Market Profit saved me from being margin called, so I'm on his side right now. Talking about Putin, wasn't he? What he doesn't realise is we're 10 times bigger in NATO's. So, yeah, well, I don't know. You know, Nicky Boy game. If we start firing nukes at each other, what's the point of that anyway? The thing is that the stock indexes are not even down that far. 20% down on S&P 500 is nothing. Imagine where space is going to be if it falls 40 to 50%. Also, UK has new upgraded weapons that being shipped to Ukraine. Maybe after all, it's in the charts, not in the news. No. 1,000 units. Wow, said Sid. When the market tanks, even the profitable company will fall with the entire market. Oh my God, people like him are the problem. Yeah. We're talking about Putin now, right? You don't have to be right all the time. All you have to do is manage risk, which I'm sorry to say you definitely aren't doing. Where would you be and all your position dropped 10% in one day? At the moment, the market is different. It's play the market time. Are you saying you will never sell a position? Come on. I've sold loads of times. If you've watched this show, I've been live 10 hours a day now for nearly a year and a half. I've traded thousands of times. I've scalped thousands of times. TTDV Spectre 828 has just gifted absolutely incredible, has just gifted a subscriber membership on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed for doing that. He's gifted it to Theodore Roll. Thank you very much indeed. How cool is that? Very, very nice of you. Thank you. Sell space and buy Google. That's not a bad suggestion. Google is down. It's rising today, but let's have a look at where we are right now. 2.25. 34,000. The S&P is rising again. Rio Tinto is rising. Virgin Galactic tried to go up there for a moment. I don't think. Well, I think it's quite clear that there's no reason why Virgin Galactic would pump from here. There's no news coming out. 541 doesn't seem to be achievable at the moment. I might just to trim off the top. It might be wise to do that. Lower my risk. I would not sell anything at the moment, says Clocky. What we got? See, no one really knows. Do I sell some space? 59% say no. 41. It's not clear. No one knows. No one knows. It only requires 1 ounce of news, and it pops up. My portfolio explodes. I sold my space at 680. Just to get into context, guys, just so you understand, right? When they started test flighting, I came in around here. I had 35 average. When it test flew, went all the way up. See? See what it does when it flies? Agree Church. When unemployment goes up Q1 2023, prison stocks will jump. I know. That's a market profit headline, that is. He's used that one loads of times. I'm recognising all these. You've been talking to market profit, you have. Now you want to sell at a loss. I don't want to sell at a loss. I've got to manage my risk. Why would I want to sell at a loss? I don't want to sell at a loss. My average price was 880, lost 2 grand on it. Market profit, fully agree. Right, we've got day trader of the day coming up as well very shortly. Let's run a quick commercial break. Scalp it. Yeah, I will when it's... yeah, I will. Okay, be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back in the house. Let's see if we've got any more subscribers today to our channel. When we get to 5,000, we're going to get a guest on the show. 4974. Oh, there we go. 24 to go. 24 subscribers to go, and we'll be there. Over on TikTok, why Tesla crush? Please tell me. Why is Tesla... Now, Tesla, many people here on my channel on YouTube will tell you it's overvalued. But again, same thing with Tesla. It's pricing in the future of where the stock's going. I believe that the stock has a long way to go. And it's down now, like many of our investors have said today. The overall markets are down, so even great companies are trending down. So I still hold Tesla. I've got a good profit on Tesla. If it goes back to 50, would you sell? Watch this. DC on the way up, DC on the way down. Nothing wrong with selling if you have a good risk. If you have good risk management, if it goes back to 50, would you sell? I will be selling. I'll be selling at 50 cents higher than it is now. I have to. Do you know what efficient market theory is? Do you know what efficient market theory is? No, I don't. No, I don't. I feel a little bit under attack today, and that's part of being a YouTuber. You know, people perhaps questioning or criticizing my madness, and I fair enough. I'm open to that. I'm not as experienced or knowledgeable as many of you. Just doing our thing together. Look into stocks that make riot gear, because that's coming soon if we have massive layoffs. This time there will be no stimulus or extra unemployment. I'm still with you, Martin. Thank you, mate. You know, Mike's one of our yellow badge members now. Virgin Orbit, Tesla. Have we got any green shoots and anything? Let's go to the other end of the spectrum right now. Ethereum's dropping. That's why I'm out of Ethereum, why I'm out of Bitcoin. Don't let it get you to your Martin. You're doing really well. Thank you, mate. We're here for a family and community, right? I've been in the market for 12 years now. If you take away anything from me, it's never use leverage in the financial markets. That way you will never be forced to sell. Absolutely right. You're dead right there. Dead right. Because I totally agree. The day trader, I'm only mad at you for buying Virgin above $5. But other than that, you're a good man. Thank you very much. I'm only mad at you for buying Virgin Galactic. Yeah, but when it was, when was it? It was 10, 20, 30, 35, went to 60. Would you be mad at me then for paying $5 for it? Come on. You know, it's very, very easy to say now where we are now compared to where we were a month ago or 6 months ago or a year ago. Man, 90% of the comments on here are from 16-day traders. 16-year day traders living in their mum's basement. They don't take the comments personally, Martin. No. I would say the majority of our investors here and viewers are actually mature, trading, investing, working people, actually market profit. I think it's fair to say. You know that because they've called into the show. They put their voices and their videos behind their faces. You are one of the only ones who hasn't, by the way, market profit. Maybe you're the 16-year-old day trader. Anyway, living in your mum's basement. To be fair, nearly all our members have called in, done video calls. I know who they are. And so to be fair, you're one of the very few who hasn't. Ever since I lost 40% in 1 week, I've changed now since that experience. Still with you on Space as well. I've got 1,050 now and we'll trim the top at 50 shares. Just add each time on the stocks with like VUSA. I honestly don't mean to make you feel that way, to be honest. I just don't think that you should be risking your money like this. You don't know enough about markets. I say that respectfully. That's fine. You are absolutely right. What I'm doing here is a family, a community, trading live, sharing my experiences, giving a platform for people to share and be real and be honest, because what you do not get on TV, what you do not get on other YouTube channels is the truth. This is all real, all honest. Anyone can say and share their opinions. We don't boast or promote anything. Everything is real here. It's not even about markets. It's your mentality with your risk. The day trader, just admit you are a Virgin lover boy. You're in love with Virgin. Simple as that. No, I'm not. The Queen of Logic has a strong portfolio. I like her style. She's very patient. Yes, she is. I'm 32 years old with a real job. There you go. I was trading on margin with Tesla. I was forced to sell the shares before being negative. There you go. Church of Logic, thank you very much. I barely will even let my fiancée take a selfie with me. I can't stand being on camera. What makes you reach that conclusion, 16-year-olds? Yeah, it's very true. And I'm going to make that point right now. All right? Here are some of our traders. Here's one of our biggest investors. This is Muzanella, professional investor, mid-40s, maybe 50s, I don't know. We got Robert Durant. None of these are 16. Dave Mottram. None of these are 16. Queen of Self-Braiding. Bill, definitely not 16. Alicia and Patricia from Italy. Dr. Nathan Smith. Balasir. Dexter Sickles. Rob Brennan. Shad. Mike. Where's Mike? Whoop, there's Mike. Couldn't get him in there for a minute. Where's Mike? Where's Mike gone? There's Mike. Definitely not 16. Martin Reddin. There you go. You get the idea. The BTC is very stubborn. Been waiting on a break now. 17,000 for 3 months now. Yeah. There you go. We do have some clowns, I'm sure. But the majority of the people that watch this show are real investors, hardworking, committed people. And I strongly believe that and know that to be the case. Know that to be the case. And just while we watch the stocks for the minute, I'll give you a little update on some of those people. Nicky Boy Gaming.
Welcome to the Day Traders. This show is an awesome show. I have been supporting it ever since the lockdown has started in the period. My name is Nicholas Squill. I'm 31. I live in Bristol in UK. I have been supporting this show because he has been really brilliant at what he does.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the day trader. Amazing
This is
guy.
the Church of Logic.
Very honest, very open.
And this guy has appeared on CNN and Fox as a main investor. And this is what he thinks of the channel.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martin is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There you go.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Izumaki here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martin's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello and join the family.
Hi, I'm the Queen of Self-Braiding. I'd like to welcome new members, and if you know you're a YouTuber, come to the Day Trader show to make your YouTube channel grow. I came to the channel when I had under 100 subscribers, and at the moment I'm going towards 400. So you're in the right place. Keep watching and supporting the channel.
You should definitely join the Day Trader, join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martin is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter, we just get straight to it.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CNV Studios here. The reason why I love Martin and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martin's your man to go to.
There you go. Not one 16-year-old living in the basement person on our show. There you go. We're all here. We're doing it. Let's have a look. Right, let's have a look. We're down at the moment. We're starting to improve in the last hour. Let's have a quick look. I'm an eternal pessimist, Church, not the greatest of qualities. That says Church. Church, are you from Vegas or Jersey? Can't put my finger on the American accent. Yeah, I'm an eternal optimist because I feel it's a healthier way to live. I am fully aware. Remember, I left home at 16 with no money whatsoever. I had a job, a summer job. I managed to earn enough money to rent a caravan. I then bought the caravan and then bought my own house, very small basic house, but I did. I never had any money from anyone. Never received any free money. Never any sponsorship. Never any government. Never been on the dole. Never had any. In fact, I was on the unemployment for 1 week because someone told me it was a good idea for a self-employed person who didn't have any work in January to do it. It was a pain in the ass. I was too busy trying to get gigs that I said I'm wasting my time going to the dole office pretending I'm looking for jobs. So I was unemployed on the benefits for 1 week of my entire life. When I've had to live on bread and water, I've lived on bread and water, right? I've toured 195 countries as the world piano man. I've seen what poor really is. And none of us here are really poor. None of us. None of us. I've seen the worst sights you can imagine from people around the world. I've lost my mum and dad. They both died. I got divorced. I lost my kids. I lost my house. I went bankrupt once. I know what it is to lose everything. I lost my business when the stock market crash, the credit crunch came to the UK. I've got 6 bulging discs in my back for commitment and years of travelling and working. I then committed 10 months to working for free. Now it's $10 a day on YouTube to build a family. I know what it is to lose everything. So, and everyone's got a voice on this channel, whether they are 16 or 6 or 600. Makes no flipping difference. If they want to be part of the family, they can watch for free. They don't have to be a member, but of course we prefer you to be a member because it's how I survive. And if you think it's worth a couple of bucks a month to be a member, that's why you're a member, all right? Anyway, so what I was going to say then was, like, to answer Market Profit's question, I am fully aware that everything could go to zero. I'm not stupid. I'm fully aware that we could have World War III tomorrow. I'm fully aware I could get cancer and drop down dead tomorrow. Fully aware. But what's the point of thinking that? As the Queen said, just get on with it. Stop bloody moaning and get on with it. Always be positive. Always be happy the fact that you're just alive. And I don't know. And maybe I will get wiped out again. I don't know. I don't know. I can honestly tell you if I had an opportunity to sell some Virgin Galactic right now, I would. I might even have to sell for a loss shortly. I don't know. Anyway, let's read out some of these comments. Let's have a little look. Also, if you're commenting about a real job, go and enjoy your 9 to 5. I average 2,000 a day in 1 hour of trading. Yeah, you can keep your real job. I'll enjoy my plants at home. Market Profit, well done. New York. Oh, there we go. Market Profit. Let me get my violin out. No, I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you the story because Market Profit was talking about being pessimistic. I sound like I'm from Jersey. More people will tell me back. Well, more people tell me back home. I'm saving and paying off my debt so I can buy land and turn it into a summer holiday home. Good luck to you, Nicky Boy Gaming, and we'll be there with you, and we'll feature it on the channel, and we'll do a live stream from your holiday park, and we'll do everything we can to help you. Look at Virgin Galactic. I'm an economist trained from Uganda, South Africa and USA. Braiding hair is a passion for beauty. Nice one, Queen. Nice one. Queen's a lovely person. Very supportive person. I'm sure you're a hard-working guy, mate, but the markets don't care about that. It's a brutal thing. Just lower your exposure a bit and keep some in cash for a proper pullback. Farming is a feast or famine job. This year will likely be good. It's been a hobby more than anything. I'm new to it. I moved to Tashkent from BC quite recently. Probably mispronounced that, but I tried. Good afternoon. Could you give your opinion about Amazon? Well, I invest in what I believe is a great company. Amazon make money. I use them all the time. It's the only company I buy anything from. So why would I not invest in Coca-Cola? I drink Coke, think it's great. Been around forever. Amazon, I think, is the best online sales business there is. I think it's great. I use it all the time. Why would I not invest in what I believe in? So I think Amazon's a great company. And Amazon seems to be buying everything now as well. In my head, I'm 16, but my body feels like 80. I came into the world with nothing, and I've still most of it left. That's brilliant. I like that. Do you see Virgin Galactic? Do you see Virgin Galactic will actually rocket up from when flights resume? Yes. No doubt about it. The macros are actually horrible at the moment. I think maybe $20. Well, hey, that's 400%, right? From here, even $20. It's been 60. It's been 70. You wouldn't invest if you think they're overpriced. It's about value. It's not if you like it or not. I didn't say buy Amazon because I like it. I didn't say Amazon because I like it. This on here, this is one thing that I disagree with several people on. This is the price of the share. This is merely dictated by people selling it or buying it. This is not the value of the company. The balance sheet is the value of the company. This is just the price that people pay. You could have the best company in the world. If everyone sells it, the share price goes to $1. But it wouldn't, because people would buy it before it did. That's the point. No one believes in this yet. That's all. That's all. I don't buy Amazon because I like it. I buy Amazon because I believe it's going to be a bigger in the future. I believe Amazon is going to be a bigger company than it is today. Anyway, it is the market value, current. It is the reality. Anyway, let's see what happens. We got Day Trader of the Day coming up. It's when we do our daily competition of who's up the most, who's down the most, and we see who wins. All right, we got that coming up in just a few moments' time. And then we'll end today's show, and we'll be back this afternoon for the closing bell. Thank you for all the new members who became members today. Absolutely fantastic. It's thank you for being a member, and I will go above and beyond, and I will work for you 10 hours a day, trying to promote your channels, answering all your questions, making videos on the content you want, providing you with the 20-minute fundraiser gigs if you want those, the happy birthdays, putting your channel on the YouTube channel, replying to all your comments, and everything else. So thank you to all of you. So we've got Day Trader of the Day straight after this quick commercial break. Skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay. Rio Tinto. Virgin Galactic's coming up. Let's have a look at it now. Let's see what the RSI is saying. Overbought or oversold? Let's have a look. The RSI is now moving into the middle of the channel again. Below 30, it's oversold. We've gone back up again, which is why the stock price has risen. So now it could drop again from here, more than likely. But as we've proved, charts do not prove anything. Must go and save him. Where are you off to? Must go and love and leave you guys. My dad is lost on the train. You lost your dad on the train. All right then. Go and save your dad. See you later, Nicky Boy Gaming. $4.97. Can we get up to 5.30? 40 would be perfect. At 5.20, 5.30, I'd like to trim off and lower my risk and take some profit from those lot shares. Tesla's falling today. Rivian. Let's have a look at Tesla, by the way, on the RSI. Let's have a look at that in a minute. Oversold or overbought? There we go, oversold. It's regarded as oversold right now on the RSI. Again, I'm not a believer in these charts. I've never seen them to be proved to be accurate. I look at the order book, level 2 on Robinhood, shows you what people are buying or selling, and you think, okay, everyone's buying, the stock should go up, and they don't. Market makers manipulate that. The charts are all, and information can be, all the signals can be manipulated. I've never yet found them to be truthful and accurate. Otherwise, if they were, we would all be making, it wouldn't work, would it? We'd all know what's going to happen. So nothing would happen. Right. Virgin Galactic. Am I going to get some money out of this now? The overall portfolio in the last hour moving up slightly. The S&P just going sideways now, and you can see the chart tightening. This normally happens when we get a breakout one way or the other. I'm sorry I can't tell you which way. No one knows. 4.99 now. Space, I have 15,000 shares now holding strong. I believe in Space Company. Stephen Lewandowski. I'm right with you, mate. $5. Now then, if we can break if we can break these 2 points here, 507, then we could be in for something. If we can break the resistance at 507, we could be in for something now. Come on. We don't want to get any rejection. We want to go break through 507, and I will trim off the top, and my portfolio will be transformed. And suddenly, people that thought I was an idiot will go, oh, he knew what he was doing. No, he didn't. He just believed in it, and that was it. But long term, I know. But it's all about surviving right now and managing my risk. If you've just tuned in right now, please subscribe and ring the bell, smash the like button, let me know you're here. Really appreciate that very much indeed. Let's see if we can get 40 likes. We're 2 away from 40 likes. If you've not yet liked the video, 1 minute on the clock. Let's see if we can get 40 likes. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. I guarantee you'll make some money if you like the video. It's like magic. I said cheeky, 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 pow, pow. I said cheeky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, we need one more like, just one more like. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Might be difficult, we've only got 32 watching, but you never know. Anything's possible. 39 likes. The purpose of liking a video tells YouTube that you like this video, and it'll share this video to more people like you. That's kind of how it works. All right. Rio, S&P, overall, Tesla still falling. Virgin Galactic. That's what do you think will be the driver for a rise in the S&P in the near term? In the near term, what do I think will drive the S&P in the near term? I think if someone got rid of Vladimir Putin tomorrow, I feel that the world would feel a lot more confident, And remember, the markets trade on confidence. So I believe if we could get Vladimir Putin, and there's chances of that now. You know, people are rioting in the streets of Moscow. They're refusing to take part in the 300,000 conscripts he's trying to put together. He's threatening nuclear war. The whole world turning against him. Even China turning against him. I think that we could, the markets would rally because Ukraine is the powerhouse of Europe. We get a lot of energy and a lot of resources for Britain and Europe out of Ukraine. That would help the world feel more confident. I feel it was right that the Fed tightened on inflation. We now believe that the Fed are getting more serious, and if we do get a recession, that's good to buy into the stocks, right? Because we're near the bottom then, if not the bottom. So for me, we need a period of stability and confidence in the world. And right now, everyone's fearful and no one believes or trusts anybody. And I think that's the biggest problem we've got now. Why is the market down? Well, the market is reacting to the Fed report yesterday. That's what's happening right now. Steve, what do you think? What do you think target price in the future for which stock? Which stock, Chuck Lee? Welcome to our show. Where in the world are you from? Let me introduce myself to you, and all the family will introduce themselves to you. My name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. There you go. I'm in Dallas, Texas, originally from Cornwall, United Kingdom. If anybody wants to be with me in the UK at the Day Trader Convention, let me know and I'll send you a ticket. We're having a party in the pub and party on the beach and hotel and all sorts. So what stock are you talking about? Nick Egerton, for someone new to investing like myself, am I better getting in on shares or buying Bitcoin? Well, I wouldn't buy Bitcoin right now because I think Bitcoin is going to crash as well. For me, if I wasn't in the market right now, what I would do right now, if I was in absolutely nothing, knowing where everything is right now, I would put my money into the S&P 500. I would buy VU. I would work out how much money I've got to invest and dollar cost average as it falls down because it might keep going down. That's what I would do. But we share our full journey with you live here on the show. Everybody shares their opinions and their thoughts honestly. We're not hyping and promoting and pumping up stock. We're always telling you the truth. So that's what we do here. All right. If you think we are heading to a recession, you should be in cash, not long on the S&P. But long term, I'm not looking to, all I'm trying to do. I'm 53 years of age. I want to build $100,000 by the end of this year, 200,000 by the end of next year or the year after, and then move more into dividend stocks. I'm just holding and buying now and believing in the future. 5 years from now, this portfolio should be very different. So I don't believe you're gonna make money by sitting on the side with your cash because your cash is going down like 10% a year with inflation. If you buy the stocks, that's protecting your money, right? You're getting cheaper and cheaper stocks. So that's kind of a hedge against inflation just by putting your money in the market. Seems to make sense to me. I think middle of next year it'll be $25 plus. Or Virgin Galactic, yeah, easily. Also own Tesla, yeah, Tesla could double from here easily. The day trader, be very careful about giving people advice. I don't give people advice. 22. I share my experiences. It says below all my videos that this is entertainment. This is my YouTube channel. This is my real life experiences. I don't give financial advice at all. I just share my opinions and my thoughts with you. What you do is up to you. I came in from Twitch there as it was lagging for me. If you're over on Twitch, you just got to lower the resolution because I broadcast in 4K. And on Twitch, you just need to lower the resolution. If you are in margin, you can't sit out in a recession. You'll be bust. Well, just got to keep holding on, right? I might I was very close a moment ago to selling some Virgin Galactic to lower my position. But we got a rejection again. It sold off again. We were trying to break through 507. That would have been the chart position to break through. But there we go. So then, this is your last chance today, now, and the closing bell to get in our cash giveaway. We have a cash giveaway, the money I make in the video, every single Friday. Friday morning, if you want to be in it, every Sunday at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, we send out our newsletter. And in there, we have all our information of what's going on in the stocks. I have my cash prize giveaway video for you to watch. It's free to enter, free for all. There you go. There is the weekly newsletter. It goes out 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. When you click on it, you'll come to this here, and we do our cash prize draw tomorrow. So this is the last chance you'll get it if you want to be in on next Fridays. What you'll see is this here. You put in your email. You can sponsor the email newsletter for $10. It's a 65% open rate, which is phenomenally high. Everyone opens it and gets involved. So for $10, you can sponsor it, and your name and your business and your link can be in there. Once you put your email in there, you'll receive a verification email. Now, you might not see it, as it might go into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw, and that's regarded as spam. So there is the email you're looking for. It's the email for this channel, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Search for it, verify it, and then you'll be in the draw. Many people don't listen to that part. They don't verify it. They just enter their email and they think they're done, and then they wonder why they never received the email. Well, you have to verify it. And the reason why you have to verify it is so you can unsubscribe if you don't want it anymore. But I don't know why you do that, because it's free money I give away every Friday. All right, let's do Day Trader of the Day. This is where we get everyone's score and see who is winning today. So go over to your overall portfolio and see what your position is for the day. I am down 3.19 for the day. 3.19. Let me go over to here. So on the overall portfolio, I'm down 3.19%. There you go. If we sold and buy back in without waiting the 30-day period, will there be a difference when we sell again? Hang on a minute. If we sold and bought back in without waiting the 30 days period, will there be a difference when we sell again? I'm not sure I understand your... If you sell for a profit or sell for a loss, you might want to sell for a loss. If you think it's going to go further down, you might feel it's the right time to get out. You can then buy back at a lower price. Then you've gained a little bit because you've bought it back cheaper. You've omitted the losses you would have lost if you'd stayed in. It's best to hold a stock for more than a year from the point of view of taxes, but that depends on your situation. And I can't give tax advice. Wouldn't even try to. This is just after the announcement, better next week. Down 3.19. So let's see all the scores. Give me a 1 minute on the clock. Down 1.82. The tax difference. I can't answer that. That depends on your personal situation. I have no idea. I'm sorry, I can't. I don't give financial advice, or certainly not tax advice. Depends on your situation, where you're from, country, how much money you earn. Everyone is panicking over the announcements. Yeah, as always. Let's see all your scores. Down 1.82, which means Sid is ahead. Down 1.37. Shad goes into the lead. Let's bring the rest of the scores in. Down 0.32. Church of Logic is winning. Up the Queen of Self-Braiding. Fantastic. You're very welcome, David. I'm sorry I can't be of more help to you. But what I can say is, if you become a member to our channel, we have big traders, investors, people who perhaps could help you. That's an error. That's not right. Up $79,000. That was brilliant. That was a chart error. That was good, though, for a minute, wasn't it? They suddenly announced that Virgin Galactic was going to fly. Anyway, she earned the name. Yes, indeed. Very, very good indeed. She's done well today. Yes, if you become a member to our YouTube channel, let me give you a link here. You can have access to our Discord and you can get honest information. You can talk directly to people for free by being a member. You can call into the show, ask questions, and there are great people there who could help you, who can share with you honest, real support as a YouTube member. There's the Discord channel. But you only get public access right now. If you go become a YouTube member, I will upgrade you. Here's the invitation to join. If you like this content and you like what we do, we're live every day, up to 10 hours a day, 5 days a week, then become a member. Okay, the Church of Logic. The Queen of Self-Braiding had one day trader of the day today. Let's thank you for your honest trades. Give her a thumbs up. And here is the sound effects. Here we go. Give her the sound effects. All right. Congratulations, Queen. Very, very well done. Very well done indeed. Absolutely brilliant. Mike was down 2.45. I use Logic to trade. Brilliant. My second portfolio is up 9.17 thanks to my XRP. Yay, Queen. Congratulations. There you go. Brilliant. Right, we're going to take a break now and go and have a lie down in a dark room because it's painful to watch all of this. But anyway, there it is. Tesla's going down. I've got an average of 235 right now. 22% profit. Martyn, where do you see the market going today? Well, right now, again, we've reacted badly to the Fed report raising the rates by 1. The idea was that would calm the market. Well, it has. It's got the market down. That's what the intention of the Fed was to do. It's tough, though, because there are billionaires who need to spend less money. Well, they are. But there are regular guys like us trying to save for our future. Interest rates going up means it's harder for people to pay their mortgages. They say they raise they raise rates to raise interest rates to calm inflation. However, raising interest rates calm the markets, so people's savings get wiped out. People's mortgages go up in value. The market price, the housing market crashes. So one person gains, another loses. It's very, very difficult. All you can do is ride it out, buy the dips if you're able to. And that's really the moral of this story. It's a very, very difficult situation right now. Anyway, we are where we are. Queen of Logic and Church of Braiding. John Crett, the market is going either north or south. Probably right. Probably right. You might be right. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you very much for joining me. Let's end the poll. The poll was decided that do I sell some space? No. Obviously, people are saying you don't sell when you're down. That's common sense. But at the end of the day, you have to manage your portfolio and manage risk and protect yourself. I'm done. Thank you very much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. Of course, that's the last chance if you want to get in on the draw for tomorrow morning, our cash prize giveaway. Just now leaves me to say it's time to roll the credits. So if you want to give me the signal to roll the credits, I will end the show here right now, and we'll be back this afternoon. Let's bring in the music. Here we go. Thanks for being... Got lots of new members today. Roll the credits. Mike slayed the restream bot again. Good job, Mike. Super chats from Market Profit and Ethan Blaine. Incredible story today. I actually got a tip from a guy from Africa. I think that's probably the first time. Absolutely awesome. Thank you so much indeed for that. Well done, Mike. You did a good job. Yes, it is your job. Absolutely right. You didn't thank Leah, though, for the coffee, though, by the way. You forgot that bit. What else do we have happened in today's show other than the super chats? I feel like you should be playing Always Look on the Bright Side of Life. Well, if I got a $10 super chat, I will, but I didn't, so I can't. I have to do that to cover the copyright, right? New members, Portland Trailblazer and Malk UK. They're new members on our channel as well today. We've got plenty of new subscribers as well, thanks to our super chats. Followers, TDV, Spectre over there on Twitch. Subscription, Ethan Blaine, that's only the public subscribers, of course. TDV, Spectre, Theodore Roll, and members, Portland Trailblazer, Mark UK. So there we go. A lot of good stuff today. A lot of good stuff. I'll see you all back later. Have a wonderful afternoon. Take care of yourself. It's a tough world out there. Let's hope Vladimir Putin drops down dead today, quite honestly. And how can one man, one single person, destroy the world? Well, when you think about that, think of one man can bring good stuff as well. And that's me. That's me going live here every day for you. All right? So one man can do bad stuff, but one man can do some good stuff. And that's what we're doing here. So forget about the idiot called Putin. Forget him. He's a bloody idiot. No one will remember him when he's gone. No one will care less he even existed. And eventually he'll be gone. Anyway, thanks for all being here. Brickmark, thanks for being... I want to be here with the way the shares are going. I know. Thanks Leah. Later Queen. Thanks Leah. Brilliant. See you all back in a bit. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.